Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. We've just wrapped up another exciting day on Dalal Street, and what a day it was. The bulls were clearly in charge, pushing the markets to new heights. Let's dive right into the numbers and see what drove today's rally. The BSE Sensex had a fantastic session, climbing 398 points to close at an impressive 82,172. That's a solid gain of nearly 0.5%. Over at the NSE, the Nifty 50 wasn't far behind, rising 135 points to settle at a strong 25,181, marking a gain of over 0.5%. The positive momentum was widespread, painting the entire market green. What's really striking about today's session is the broad-based participation. It wasn't just one or two sectors doing the heavy lifting. Almost everyone joined the party. We saw significant gains across IT, metals, pharma, oil and gas, realty, and even PSU banks. These sectors all posted gains ranging from 0.5% to a full 1%. This kind of widespread buying is a very healthy sign for the market, indicating strong underlying confidence among investors. The broader market also showed strength. The BSE Midcap Index jumped a notable 0.75%, showing that the rally isn't just confined to the large-cap giants. Investors are clearly finding value in mid-sized companies as well. However, the small-cap index remained relatively flat, suggesting a more cautious approach in that segment for now. It will be interesting to see if the positive sentiment from the large and mid-cap spaces trickles down to the small caps in the coming days. Now, let's talk about some of the key players that made headlines today. The IT sector was a major focus, especially with TCS announcing its second quarter results. The IT giant reported a 1.4% year-on-year increase in net profit, which came in at 12,075 crore. While this is a positive number, it did fall slightly short of what the street was expecting. Despite this, the overall IT index performed well, buoyed by the general positive market sentiment. Another heavyweight, Reliance Industries, also had a good day. Its shares saw healthy gains, and as one of the most influential stocks on the index, its positive movement provided a significant boost to the overall market. When giants like Reliance move up, they tend to pull the whole market with them, and that's exactly what we saw today. The real stars of the show, however, were the metal stocks. This sector was on fire. Hind Copper and Tata Steel were leading the charge, with their stocks soaring up to 4.5%. This surge was primarily driven by growing concerns over global supply chains. When supply is tight, prices tend to rise, and that's great news for metal producers. Investors were quick to pile into these stocks, anticipating stronger earnings ahead. This is a classic example of how global macroeconomic factors can directly impact specific sectors on our domestic market. So, what's the big picture here? The market's strong performance today can be pinned on a few key factors. First, the incredible sectoral support we saw across the board, especially from the IT and metal packs. Second, the continued inflow of foreign investment. Foreign investors keep pouring money into Indian equities, which is a massive vote of confidence in our economy's growth story. This combination of strong domestic fundamentals and positive global cues has created a very bullish environment. Investor sentiment is clearly positive, and the market's momentum looks set to continue. That's a wrap on today's market action. It was a day of solid gains and broad-based strength. What are your thoughts on today's rally? Which stocks are on your radar? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this update helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more daily market analysis. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.